So what could be the various sources of pure water if I ask? How can we get pure water? Yes, from rain, by melting snow, from wells, from tap water, if it's pure, from natural spring, from geysers, from lakes, from rivers, from sea by desalination. So all of these are the various natural sources to get more or less pure water. My question is, we are assuming here the water is pure. My question is, chemically, the water is same. All of these sources providing the same quality of water, right? Yes, most of you are answering in yes, affirmation answer. Okay, another question. Carbon dioxide. What is the formula of carbon dioxide? Correct. CO2. Right? So how many ways, how many sources are there, common sources are there, which can provide carbon dioxide? Correct. I am exhaling out carbon dioxide. You are also. Okay, so respiration is there. So plants, animals, they produce carbon dioxide, all right, during the process of respiration. What else? During any chemical process, carbon dioxide can be produced. For example, if you heat baking soda, it is used in naans, bread, okay, just to increase the volume. When you heat baking soda, carbon dioxide produces. So there are different ways to obtain carbon dioxide. Same question. If this carbon dioxide is pure, we are assuming, then chemically all type of sources providing the same CO2. The answer is yes. And this is the law of constant composition. Constant composition means that the ingredients, the composition of a pure compound remains same. All right? That is why it is called law of definite proportion. Because here you always find a fixed ratio. For example, in water, what is the formula of water? H2O. H2O. How many hydrogens? 2. How many oxygens? 1. So in all kind of pure water, there is the same combination. Always you will find 2 elements, hydrogen and oxygen. 2 atoms of hydrogen, 1 atom of oxygen will give you what? Water. So water, if it is water, it means it contains hydrogen and oxygen. And what is the ratio of their atoms? What is the proportion of their atoms? 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. This is the law of constant composition. So it was given by Proust, the French chemist. According to him, he showed that a given compound has a definite composition. What is the statement? It is, you can see on the screen. Different samples, like you have obtained different samples of water from here, and there. Okay? So different samples of the same compound, like water, always contain the same elements. Water contains hydrogen and oxygen, yes, we know. Carbon dioxide, carbon and oxygen, yes, we know. Hydrochloric acid, HCl, yes. Glucose always contains carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Okay. So what is the first point of this law? That the elements constituting that compound, that pure compound, will remain same. All right. So that is why the constancy is there. Okay. The second part, just told you, which are combined, means the atoms are combined in a proper ratio. They have a fixed value of mass. Just giving you an example, just suppose we have water in a jug and we have water in a normal glass, right? The quantities are different. Jug is containing greater quantity of water, glass is containing smaller quantity of water. Whatever be the quantity of water is there in the jug, about 90% is due to oxygen and about only 10% is due to hydrogen. Same is true in case of glass which contains water. About 90% is of oxygen and just 10% is this. Means always contain the same percentage. Compound contains the same percentage, the same masses. You will see it further. Okay, see the example. Water composed of 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen, forming H2O, water. Okay. Now we have 2 different vessels, containers. One containing tap water, as you can see on the screen, and another one is there in mineral water. First thing, that both of these water are made up of same kind of elements, hydrogen and oxygen. Either it is tap water or it is mineral water. Water, hydrogen, oxygen. Water, 2 atoms of hydrogen, 1 atom of oxygen. Right?